Hello, Pratham 6 students. This is your teacher, Mr. Mark. Today we're going to talk about animals. Animals. Wild animals. Wild animals. Tiger. Tiger. Lion. Lion. Cheetah. Cheetah. Wolf. Wolf. Deer. Deer. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Giraffe. Giraffe. Zebra. Zebra. Panda. Panda. Bear. Bear. Polar bear. Polar bear. Koala. Koala. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Boar. Boar. Elephant. Elephant. Fox. Fox. Hyena. Hyena. Gorilla. Gorilla. Monkey. Monkey. Crocodile. Crocodile. Porcupine. Porcupine. Chameleon. Chameleon. Now let's go to domestic animals. Domestic animals. Rooster. Rabbit. Rabbit. Horse. Horse. Sheep. Sheep. Goat. Goat. Chicken. Chicken. Pig. Pig. Dog. Dog. Cow. Cow. Cat. Cat. Donkey. Donkey. Duck. Duck. And finally, pet animals. Pet animals. Rabbit. Rabbit. Tortoise. Tortoise. Hamster. Hamster. Parrot. Parrot. Fish. Fish. Dog. Dog. Cat. Cat. Chameleon. Chameleon. Rat. Rat. Now, if you don't understand, please, I suggest you to watch it again because we're going to your activity. Activity time. In your activity, I want you to write your name, your number, your class. Always write your name in English. Please write it clearly, your number, and your class, because if not, I cannot give you grade or score. Let's read it again. Tiger. Lion. Pig. Giraffe. Dog. Fish. Goat. Rabbit. Parrot. Gorilla. Monkey. Elephant. Cow. Horse. Sheep. Hamster. Bear. Fox. Koala. Boar. Chameleon. polar bear, hyena, crocodile, porcupine, tortoise, cat, rat, rooster, duck, donkey, cheetah, wolf, deer, kangaroo, rhinoceros, and hippopotamus. Okay, letter A, I want you to write 5 wild animals. B, 5 domestic animals. And letter C, I want you to write 5 pet animals. Okay, let's give it a try. Let's answer the first one. I would like to give you an example. What do you think? From the choices, what do you think is the wild animal here? Is an example of wild animal. Example? What? Tell me. Okay. Example, hyena. What else? I want you to think carefully. Example of wild animals from the choices. If your answer is fox, you got it right. Fox is a wild animal. I want you to do the rest. Answer them all. Thank you for watching. This is your teacher, Mr. Mark. Bye-bye.